Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my newest addition, as I've shown her before, is Matilda. Well, Matilda almost killed me Wednesday night. I was laying on the bed, relaxing. Stretchy was right next to me. I've been letting Matilda have a little bit more freedom out of her room and running the house more, and she was running the house. She'd come in here and visit us, play with us, aggravate her brother Stretchy. Well, a lot of times she'll bring toys in here, maybe one of my socks or something. Well, Matilda jumps on my chest, as she normally does, nothing unusual there. Well, when she jumps on my chest, she drops a mouse on my chest. Now, I'm not scared too much of anything in the animal kingdom. I mean, I know you got to show respect. If I can see it, I can pretty much figure out a way to hopefully live to tell the tale. But Matilda, it was her laying on my chest, looking at me with that mouse in her mouth. And when she dropped him, said mouse was still alive. Well, so I'm kind of, I don't know what to do. Mouse jumps toward my face. I jump toward the ceiling. Stretchy jumps out of the bed because he don't know what in the world's going on with everybody. And the mouse evidently jumped to one side of the bed. When Matilda got him and was playing with him, you know how cats toy with a mouse. She was toying with him. I don't know who was more terrified, me or that mouse. Well, finally, after I get some of my composure back and check and make sure there was no accidents, all was good with my underwear, I finally get a towel and catch Mr. Mouse. Well, I don't know who was more relieved, him or me. So I carry him. I don't have the heart to kill this boy because he's seen all his lives go before him. And between me, I said, tonight's your lucky night. So I carried him outside and released him outside. And he kind of looked at me like, I appreciate it, but I'd like a strong drink. Well, I have a little bit of hard liquor here at the home for medicinal purposes and snake bites. And I figured this is about as good a reason I had to take a swig of hard liquor. And I didn't figure me and the mouse were going to be drinking together, so I was greedy. I kept the liquor for myself. But Matilda, she's a mouser. And my closest neighbor is like a quarter-mile away. So, it just happens. You're out in the country. If you don't get a mouse in your house, something's wrong. My nerves have finally calmed down. I said, I've got to tell this tale because this was just way too funny. But I hope Mr. Mouse has a good life and he's somewhere else. But Matilda, she was on it. She's a mouser. And but I just hope she don't bring me no more. I don't know if my old heart could stand a second go around to this. Stretchy thought he'd done something wrong, poor fella. And he just kind of looks at me with his sister. She'll jump on the bed and bounce off his head just to get something started. But anyway, I aged 10 years Wednesday night, folks. Thanks for stopping by and being my therapy session where I could get over this thing. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.